Guys, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to build a blinking LED circuit with using a 555 timer, a couple of resistors here, a capacitor, and the LED itself. So the circuit looks like this, which if you're a beginner might look scary, but it isn't. And also, if you wish to, you can use a potentiometer to make the blinking go faster or slower. I'm gonna show you how the circuit works. Just hook up to the 9-volt battery. Oh yeah, and you can also use a 9-volt battery like this. So let's test the circuit. If it works. Bring the battery closer, and it works. It is quite quick, but if I hook up a potentiometer, I can basically control the blinking. So the schematic looks like this. It should be on the screen by now. And so you are gonna need two 470 ohm resistors, but keep in mind that the higher the resistance in here, in these resistors, the smaller the cycle of the blinking. So you should keep that in mind. And also, let me show you how it works with a potentiometer. Just rearrange the circuit a bit. Put the potentiometer in here, like that. Get some jumper wires. Oh yeah, and also you will gonna need some jumper wires for this circuit. Just see where the pins are, like that, and then should connect it. Oh wait, I connected it to the wrong pin here. Okay, now it's ready to go. You just put it here and then here. And now it should work. At first it looks like it doesn't work, but if I increase the resistance on the potentiometer, it will gonna blink just fine. So see, if I turn it to the left, the frequency of the blinking increases. But if I rotate it to the right, it will gonna decrease the frequency of the blinking. So yeah. And also another thing, to wire the 555 timer up properly, because for example, this pin here, don't know if you can see it, guys, when I rotate the circuit. So this pin here, right here, what I'm showing is the voltage input. So this is VCC, and we have ground on this side. And you don't want to switch them up, because then the 555 timer can actually burn. It's a bit of exaggerating, but it can cause some problems with the circuit. So yeah, you should never wire your circuit backwards, because things can happen. And also I can show you the output of the thing. Should I? No, I shouldn't. Okay, and also you can see I have two jumper wires here. And also I apologize for connecting the minus wire to the plus side here, but I see that the yellow one is VCC and the black one is ground, so I don't forget. And so yeah, that's mostly enough. Oh yeah, and also what capacitor I used was a 16 volt 47 microfarad capacitor, and it works just fine with the circuit, but I haven't tried other capacitors with this circuit. I just plugged it in here. And also another thing, that you can see these lines here on the capacitor, this little thing here. If it can zoom in, I can show it to you. I have to adjust the camera. Wait. Brightness. Like this. And then we're gonna be able to see these lines here on the side of the capacitor. And that thing that you have had saw was the minus terminal of the capacitor. I'm out of focus, guys. Okay, so the focus is back. It took some time, but I fixed it. So yeah, you should also never ever connect the capacitor backwards. It can blow the capacitor up or maybe just burn, but probably we're gonna kill the capacitor. And also another thing, that the voltage, you should always read the voltage on the capacitor, because if you go over that voltage, the capacitor will gonna blow up again. So yeah, this was everything I needed to say. I hope it helped you guys. And yeah, see you guys in the next